Example number 2.8. An antifreeze solution is prepared from 2 to 2.6 gram of ethylene glycol and 200 gram of water. Here we have to keep in mind that the water is in a less proportion while ethylene glycol is in a more proportion. So water will act as a solute and ethylene glycol will act as a solvent. Calculate the molality of solution. If the density of this solution is 1.072 gram per ml, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? First we are going to find out the moles of water equals to W by M equals to 200 divided by 18 equals to next. Then find out the molality of the solution. Molality equals to into 1000 M2 into W1. W2 we know that it is 200 because this time water act as a solute into 1000 divided by M2. M2 means just 18 into W1. It is 222.6. Answer will be 49.9 moles. Sorry, molar. This is the molality. Now we have to find out molarity. If the density of the solution is 1.072 gram per ml, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? So here we have to find out volume. V equals to mass upon density. Here we have to take mass of solvent and solution both. So it is total mass will be 222.6 plus 200 divided by density is 1.072 equals to 422.6 divided by 1.072. So 422.6 divided by 1.072. Answer is 394.21 ml. This is the volume. Now we have to find out molarity. Molarity equals to again weight of substance solute into 1000 divided by molecular mass into volume in ml. Now weight of solid we know that it is 200 gram because here we are just taking water as a solute. 1000 divided by molecular mass we know that it is 18 into 394.21.